Start away from each other, left leg forward, left hand goes up and to the right side, leading the ladies counterclockwise rotation. Step, tap with the right leg, rotate to face the lady, right leg goes backward, tap with the left one. Now left leg goes forward, raise the left hand and go below it, step, tap, right leg backward, step, tap. Again, lead the ladies rotation with the left hand, step forward with the left leg, tap, and from that point, instead of dancing forward and backward, you will dance to the sides. Start to the right, tap, to the left, tap, to the right, tap, and to the left. As you can see during the side steps, we're also rotating together clockwise. This should be very intuitive. You're simply swaying from side to side. Now the ladies' perspective. After the previous part, take a step backward with the left leg, connect your feet, shift your body weight to the right leg and rotate counterclockwise. Left leg, tiny step with the right leg, rotate on the right leg to face the man. Bend your knee slightly, take a step with the left leg away from the man, tap with the right leg. Now man is going to rotate below the hands. Your job is to dance around him with 2 steps. Start with the right leg. The step is slightly slower. Step, wait for the man to rotate and step backward with the left leg. Connect your feet, shift your body weight to the right leg. Now rotate counterclockwise, repeating a sequence left, right, left to the side together with the man this time. And from that point, simply sway from side to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and the last one to the right. We're about to go into a pose. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7.